Hey guys, welcome to another week of ID 5020. This week to me is probably one of the most exciting because we get to talk about Moore's work. And to me, those types of interactions are probably the most important part of engagement. The interactions that are built into the course and that occur can seriously make the difference between a student being really engaged and logging in every day to see what's going on versus a student who maybe logs in at the bare minimum. So you really want to be mindful about those and make sure they're addressed in every course that you design and build. Make sure the various types are included. So be sure to think about that as you're reading and think about your project course. And on that note, if you have any questions about the scope of that project or what you need to do, please don't hesitate to ask for help. I would much rather get that clarified now than during your working week when you're trying to put on all the final touches. So also be sure to be keeping that change log, and it's okay, again, if you change something and change it back, that is completely okay. It happens all of the time. The key is to make notes about why you decided to do that. So again, any questions about that project and what you're going to be submitting in our final week, please let me know. Have a great day, guys.